AI image battle, Reeve Image vs Midjourney, who wins? AI art is evolving fast, but is Reeve Image the next Midjourney killer? This AI generator is ranked number 1 on Image Arena's leaderboard, and it offers 100 free generations. Let's test its prompt accuracy, text generation, and artistic styles. Can it truly beat Midjourney? Reeve Image is an advanced AI art generator. It's designed for high-quality, stylized visuals. It currently ranks above Google's Imagen 3, Recraft, and even Flux. But does it really outperform Midjourney? Let's put it to the test. Test 1, Cyberpunk City with neon lights. Test 2, a fantasy warrior holding a glowing sword. Test 3, a futuristic logo with the text T-Tech. Reeve Image nails the details, but Midjourney sometimes misses key elements. Midjourney struggles with legible text, but Reeve Image? Perfectly crisp typography. For designers, this is a game changer. Pros: best prompt accuracy, handles text in images, free 100 generations. Cons: UI still improving, not as popular as Midjourney yet. Overall, Reeve Image is a must-try. Is it better than Midjourney? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more AI content.